Hey everyone, it's Keith here. Gifting season is around the corner, and in today's video, I have 5 EDC items under $50 that'll be great as a gift for your friends, family, or even yourself. The gear mentioned in this video are gear I've tested and enjoy using. With that out of the way, the first item on the list is the Orbitkey, which sells for $35 on Amazon. I've had mine for many years, and this is easily the best key organizer on the market. It keeps your keys organized and they don't jingle. The assembly process is easy and only requires a flathead screwdriver or a coin to tighten the setup. The overall size of the Orbitkey is quite sleek and slim. It also has a D-ring if you want to attach a key fob or other keychain accessories. The Orbitkey is available in plenty of different colors and material options. The one I have here is the black leather version, but they also come in silicone, cactus leather, and Saffiano leather. There are so many options, and you'll most likely be able to find a style that you or your friends will like. The next item is the Alpaka Hub Pouch, which comes in at $35 for the black X-Pack VX42 version. The Hub Pouch is a small pouch with plenty of pockets to organize your EDC gear. On the outside, it has a zippered front pocket that's perfect for small or loose things like an SD card or challenge coin. The pouch opens up clamshell style and makes it super easy to access your gear. Inside, there are 6 pockets with elastic loops to secure your gear. On the left, the pockets are slightly wider, and it's a great place to store a pocket knife and a multi-tool, like the Wee Banter and Victorinox Swiss Army knife. On the right side, the pockets are slightly slimmer, and it's perfect for any pens or small flashlights like the Olight i3T. For the past half year, I really enjoyed using the Alpaka Hub Pouch as an emergency toolkit, and I think it's one of the most useful gifts on this list. If you're gifting it to someone who's into EDC, we always love pouches and wouldn't complain if we got another one. Most of the time, we will have a use for these pouches, and more pouches are always better. As for gifting it to someone who's not into everyday carry, I think this is a great way to get them into EDC and let them customize their own loadout to fit their needs. Overall, I think the Alpaka Hub Pouch is a solid choice as a gift. Up next is the Rolling Square inCharge X cable. This is a keychain charging cable, and it's one of the best cables I've tested. It has all of the connections you might need to charge your devices. This cable has 2 USB Type-Cs, and on one end of the adapter, there is a USB Type-A. On the other end, it's a Lightning and a micro USB combo adapter. With this cable, you can charge Android phones, iPhones, iPads, and laptops. Also, the USB-C to USB-C has fast charging of up to 100 watts, and it's super handy. The cable on the inCharge X is a heavy-duty cable that feels premium and durable. On the ends of the adapters, there are magnets to hold them together, and there's a plastic end cap to protect them. The overall size of the inCharge X is very sleek and compact. However, if you're looking for a longer cable, I would also recommend the inCharge X Max, which is a 1.5 meter cable. Both cables have the same design and features, and the only difference is the length. The inCharge X is great as an everyday carry and for emergencies. On the other hand, the additional length on the inCharge X Max is ideal for laptops and other tech accessories that require extra reach. These two cables are the perfect duo for everyday and travel use. For the pricing, the inCharge X costs $29 and the X Max costs $39. If you want to grab a cable, I have an affiliate link and a 20% off discount code in the description. The next item on the list is the Olight OBulb Pro, and it comes in at $49 on Amazon. The OBulb Pro is a fairly small lamp with Bluetooth app control. It has a built-in battery and you can use it anywhere. The light itself has a plastic case and has an IPX7 rating, and it's rated up to a 1.5 meter drop. On the very bottom, it has a super handy magnetic base that you can attach to any magnetic surface. Without the app, you can still cycle the built-in modes on the light. It has a warm white light, red, green, and blue light, 2 RGB transitions, and a flashing red light for emergencies. The maximum output is 240 lumens for 2.5 hours, which is bright enough to light up a small room. On the lowest setting of 4.5 lumens, it can last up to 84 hours, which is 3.5 days. If you want finer controls, you can connect it to the smartphone app and dial in the color and brightness. In the app, you can also switch the light on or off and see how much runtime is left on the OBulb. With all of its features and design, this is a good general purpose light for around the home and outdoors. The 240 lumen output is bright enough to light up a small room and be used as a temporary work light. It's always great to have a few of these around home just in case, and I think the OBulb Pro is a fun light and a good gift. The next one is a slightly different gift, and it's the Cordura and Silicone hybrid watch strap from Barton bands, and it's one of my all-time favorite watch straps. This strap has a layer of Cordura fabric stitched onto a black silicone strap. Cordura is a strong and durable fabric that's commonly used on soft goods like bags and pouches. The Cordura on this strap is very rugged and pairs well with tool watches. I always wear the Cordura strap on watches like my Seiko SNK 809 and the Marathon MSAR. Like most straps from Barton bands, this one also has a quick release spring bar, which makes changing straps very easy. The Cordura and Silicone watch strap is perfect for anyone who enjoys the outdoors. It's very rugged and can handle any scratches and water. If you're gifting this watch strap to someone, make sure you know the lug width of the watch you're buying for. These straps comes in widths from 18mm all the way up to 24mm and should cover most watches. And that wraps up my 5 gift ideas under $50. If you're looking for more gift ideas, you can check out the link in the pinned comment for 5 more gift ideas under $100. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.